In this video, I'll be showing you how to have the soft body simulation follow a curve. So let's first start out by deleting the cube, then press Shift A and go to Mesh and then UV Sphere. Next, let's add in the curve. So press Shift A, go to Curve, and then Bezier Curve. Let's scale that up, and now we can rotate and edit this however we want. Let's just go into Top View. Maybe we'll rotate it this way, and I went into Edit mode right there, and you can just right click on the certain points and rotate them around just like that. You can also right click on a point and press E to extrude and add some more rotations and things like that. Maybe we'll drag it that way. I'll drag it up a little bit. I might drag this way, maybe rotate it along the X a little bit, drag it up. Something like that is perfect. Okay, now the origin point is very important whenever you're dealing with curves. So the origin point right now is in the center of the scene, and so is the UV sphere, and that's important. We want to make sure that the origin points are in the exact same spot. Next, go over to the modifier tab with your UV sphere selected, click Add Modifier, and then Curve. Underneath the object, select the Bezier curve. And you can see that the UV sphere has now gone over to where the start of the curve is. If we move this along the x-axis, it will follow it. So if I press G, X, and I go like this, you can see it's now following it. There we go. Let's right click to cancel that. Now what we need to do is add in the soft body simulation. So go over to the soft body and click on it. Now currently, if we play this, nothing's gonna happen. That's because we need to animate where the position is. So on frame 1, I'm gonna hit the I key and go location. Next, I'm going to go to frame 75, press G and X and move it along till it's at the end of the curve, then press I, location. Let's restart the animation and play this, and you can see it's actually working. And it's looking really weird. So what we need to do is in the soft body goal, these are the settings that will make it look good or make it look terrible. The goal strength right here, this is how strong it will stay attached to the curve. So if we turn this down, it will go pretty like loose. It won't really follow it that well, as you can see there. But if we go all the way to 1, it will follow it completely. There we go. How the soft body goal works is it takes the animation data and the position of the vertices and has them stick to it. So with a value of 1, it will completely stick to the original position, but with a value of 0.2, it will very loosely stick to that position. Let's restart the animation, play it one more time with a value of 2, and you can see it's not even really following it, it's just falling straight down, just like that. Let's restart that. So that is how you follow a curve, and with the strength right here, you can set how stiff it will stick to the curve. I usually go with a value of 0.7, 0.8, I think those work perfectly fine. If I play this one more time, there we go. We can also, in the soft body edges, maybe turn up the bending so it's not so loose. If we play that, you can see it looks a little bit better. There you go. So that is how you use the soft body simulation to follow a curve.